that we didn't record. Yeah, I was vlogged. And we're in the club, and we're about to be on the way to Fresno. We're going to Molina. Today's Friday, and we're going on Friday looking regular. Yeah. Beautiful. No, she's not. She's feeling energized. Yeah. Oh my god, let's enjoy it. Let's enjoy this moment. And listen to my story. Okay, bye. What's up, y'all? We made it to Fresno. Yeah, this is from my YouTube vlog. You want to say hi? Time check, time check. Here's Amy Ray. Introduce yourself, look free way. I'm in NLI. I'm Swan. Yeah. I'm from HTN. Oh, she wish. It's 12:40. PPO. You know that? PPO. Too bad, yeah. With the pink tie outfit. From last year. What's up, vlog? I got earrings. Ooh, she's putting it in. And who's putting it in? Ooh. So yeah, there's like kind of nobody here, but there's actually kind of a lot, but also kind of nobody. So, boom. Guatemala's looking at my work. Ooh. she looks like that dog. What's up, vlog? We're at my cousin's Airbnb, and look how nice it is. The hell? What do you want to do? 7? Oh, this is at 7? So I can't be here. I don't know if I really want to go to that. But I changed because oh my god, there was another second. I'm falling off the chair. We made it to the Airbnb! Not the correct one though. We got a little lost. And we got so much bliss. Look at compared to my head. Look at compared to my head. So I hope everybody else is vlogging, guys. Yeah, that's it. I did 3:30 in, so we have practice in like 3 hours. I'm not gonna be late. Yeah, go to the store, get some stuff. Sorry, we have to It's a towel. My mom got me a towel. Look at this towel, guys. It looks like pants. Hey guys, we're on our way to Fresno Moni. Oh no, the Airbnb. I'm excited to look at it. Hey guys, we're making clips right now. Ava's already famous. Yeah, we're ready to be clipped. Yes, guys. Here is the tour. So this is the front door. The tour does? No, yeah. So this is the front door. This is the living room. Very spacious. And the kitchen. And then the outside, which is the pool. But like, we didn't pay for that. It's just dirty out there. And then the hallway. this room. And we're watching videos. Mom's videos. Whatever. Wakey, wakey. This will be time for you guys to wake up. Oh, she's awake already. Look, Maddie, I thought you said you wanted to go sleep. Yeah, we were up at like 12. No, actually, we were up until like 1 a.m. We watched more videos all night. Yeah. The whole time we watched videos. No, I heard you. Wait, it's awake too. Yeah, let's go check on them, actually. Okay, everyone's awake. There's bathroom makeup. Mr. Karina. Oh. They are brushing the teeth. Or brushing the face. And then Leslie, and then Maddie. I'm vlogging, guys. I'm taking like every single moment. And then Miley. No. She's taking every moment. Every. She's sleeping. Wait, is Evie sleeping? Or is he? We woke up late. We woke up an hour late. Okay, no, that's not my fault because I didn't set an alarm. Did you set an alarm? I'm not going to wake us up. It's Chloe's fault. You know why? I wake up. I wake up to Big Spoon and Peyton. And I was like, what the fuck? And we were sleeping on air mattress. And let me tell you this, when we woke up, we were on the floor. Our asses were making contact with the floor. But you know what? I wasn't even mad that we were scooting because I was cold as fuck. And I was cold. And I was so uncomfortable. So yeah, that's it, guys.
Why do you have a paper towel in your nose?
What's up, vlog? We made it to the right Airbnb. We didn't get lost. So I did my makeup, I just need some lipstick and my lashes. Or should I just do no lashes? No lashes. Okay. But yeah, we're at the Airbnb. Chloe's doing my hair. Grace is getting her hair done. Some of the moms are making breakfast. And then the other girls are over there. And Debbie's here! We got surprised when we walked in. Can I flip the camera? But yeah. And yeah. I'll be back when this group is done. So right now we're doing our lashes and our makeup. That's a catfish. Don't look at my fucking nose, please. I'm looking. Freaking hate. I didn't put that much foundation on my brows, so we should put glitter on our brows like that. Let me go as Debbie. Probably. No. Come on, girl. We should put this in the vlog too. Yes. I don't know, the video's like so different when I download it though. I'm doing hair, people. Oh, you saw my clip? We got Abe, we got Debbie. We got the moms making American breakfast. Look at them. And we got everybody else. Say hi, guys. Hi. Everyone know Morgan? Morgan? Wait, what? Go one by one. Let me see you. You can't even see the brush. What are you guys doing? In the jacuzzi. What are you guys doing? I don't need to jump it. Will you guys get back? No, yeah. Wait, I'll do it. Did anybody sleep on the sofa last night? No. What's the question? No, it's this room. Yeah, that one. Yeah. With the big head. No, everyone's not. Okay. recording right now. I'm recording you. Okay, who's up here? Up here. Oh, sorry. Leslie, and then the tiny three girls. The tiny three girls? Yo! And then Miley. This bed is so comfy. It's really hot. I think we've been spitting. Yeah. And then, oh, this stuff. No, we picked up the air mattress last night. And it was so deflated. We were stuck on the ground. Hey guys, this is my vlog. Don't. We're doing gems. Say hi, Daddy. Hi. That's you. Say hi, Chloe. My little soda pop. You I can think of every day. My little soda pop. You little soda pop. What do you say to the vlog? No. Okay. Cooking with Dance Moms. Cooking with Dance Moms. Cooking with Dance Moms. I'm out right now. Bastards. The fight. Tell her to come out the bathroom. Tell her to come out, but like scary. Go, so be like, come out. It's scary. No. We're eating right now. Look at the dance songs they made it. We love them. Okay, so what are you eating? My break? What are you eating? I'm eating some uvas. What are you eating? Pancakes. What are you eating? Abraham, what are you eating, Abraham? He's a skinny queen. Look at him. Can't even see his waist. His waist? Non-existent. Nowhere to be found. But the line is huge. Let me flip the camera. It goes all the way over there. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so we're friends on New Year, and why did Allison and Cheryl say that they want to charge their phone? My phone is like, how much is that? Guys, be for real. 5%. That's a knee slapper. Well, no one's here. Literally, Miley says she's here, but I don't know. I'm gonna get boba. Should get some boba, guys. Hi, vlog. So currently, I took off my makeup. Oh my gosh, it's a mess. But I took off my skirt and I redid it and everything because it was so tight on me. Oh my gosh, there's makeup all over my lips. But yeah, I took off everything. I put it back on, but I still need to put on my necklace and my belt. What are you doing? My vlog. You're vlogging? Guys, this is Abraham Bang's drink, and I'm gonna drink it. Watch this, and I'm gonna pee in it. Watch this. I'm about to pass out, guys. I'm gonna spit in it. Bye. We're trying to use the bathroom right now. The line is so long. But the line was longer at the other one. Yeah, by the stage. Hey guys, thank you. Hey guys, so we're gonna have a mean shoulder with everybody because people don't know how to walk.
an amazing performance and make this a memorable experience, and plus us to do good on stage, and hopefully place somewhere in between 1 through 30. And yeah, I say all these things in the name. Please bless us to do good from the end. Please. And I say all these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Okay, loud and proud. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Guys, we've got to go on stage after this group. I can make a vlog now. Huh? What's the next thing? I'm so scared, guys. I'm so scared. This is our last time. Oh, where's your chair? It's a lot. It's okay. This is the last time we get to... I think I did mine. I wasn't there, so this is the last time. This is the last time we get to prove that we can do our mug right, because all the years we never did our mug right. And honestly, if I'm going to be 100% honest, I don't think we're going to get it right. But you know, it's okay.
Thế là của Thái Trà Vũ.
One complete! Us after day one. It was hell. Y'all should have seen us when we were together now. It was hell. It was hell. We did so good. Yeah, we ate. It was our best one. And I'm so happy. The energy could have been more. No way. But we did so good. We didn't really mess up on it. Guys, tell me why at the end of our moments, I was literally gagging. Like I was, my mom passed a video. Of you? Yeah, like I was sitting there like this. Bro, after she ran to the trash. Yeah. She ran to the trash backstage. So Maddie, if you find that clip, put it in right now. Put it. Do not. And you guys, look at my boyfriend gave me. Just kidding, my Instagram gave me. Just kidding, my Instagram gave me this. Bye. Hey guys, we woke up like kind of. The show. Oh, okay now. It's not the time to joke. Guys, there's some people back here too. She's doing her makeup. You're doing makeup too. Hey guys. So guys, we're waiting. It's been over an hour. Oh my gosh, we forgot to don't be a quitter. Keep dancing. Keep dancing. Keep dancing, honey. Dance your heart out. Guys, I'm gonna miss Asia 2025. I'm not ready. No. But this year was so good. This year was so good. No, yeah, but this year was so good. I love you guys. I hope. Guys, Asia is not gonna be the same next year. But I love you. Hey guys, it's me again. As a real message though, like, this year has literally been, like, literally a dream year, bro. It's literally like a fever dream. I love you so much, especially as my first year. And, like, I'm gonna quote my Dundee. guys so much. Keep on dancing. Keep fighting. Keep Mr. H.
Very quickly.
Love you guys so much.
Guys, very quickly, okay? As a parent, we thank the coaches so much for helping you guys. And most importantly, you are the winner for all of us, okay? Forget about that. You participate, you go all the way here. So get a big round for them for doing be here, okay? Okay. I mean, you're going up. So never give up. We'll try again next year, okay? All right.
My message is that don't give up. And if you want to do it, do it. Yeah, that's it. My end of the year message? I don't got one. I messed up the worst one the most. This competition. But that's the only thing I got it down with. I miss June. I wish she could come back. Please come back.
Makeup, let's go. Eyeshadow, come on, let's go. Out the car, let's go. I'm on here, let's go. Backstage, let's go. This is South Africa being, let's go. City John, let's go. Award, let's go. Going home, let's go.
Final competition. You guys should be proud of yourself. Even though we didn't win, you guys absolutely improved. Okay, you guys will always be winners between all of us. And don't be sad because it's only you guys' first year. People dancing who dance for their first year and never played was really rare. But I believe you guys stand out a lot. And you guys got a lot of recognition.
Oh yeah, heck
A lot.
TikTok.
I don't know the guy.
You're gonna make us cry, bro. I'm not gonna cry.
I love you guys, and I'm gonna miss you guys a lot. I'll still see you guys this one. I'm gonna pay for you guys did so good though. I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so excited to see you guys for next year. Oh my god. I know next year you guys are gonna be top notch. You guys are gonna look bomb.
Are you gonna come watch us?
Of course. Not every New Year, but of course. On YouTube. But yeah, I believe in you guys next year and don't quit dancing. I believe you guys have such a good passion with dance. Like I said, you guys have such good dedication to this group. And you guys are like the best group ever. You guys are so hardworking. Like you guys want to work hard without even Abraham or I telling you guys to. Like you guys want to practice without us asking you guys to practice. But yeah, I'm so proud of you guys and I'll miss you guys so much. I'll see you guys. Love you, Chloe.
Bye, Chloe.
Bye, Chloe.
Wait, one more thing. We would like to thank the parents for making this far within the group. It's been quite a journey, you know, coming back and forth from different cities, waking up early, dropping your child. And we just want to personally thank you guys for that.
Yes.
It's a lot of work.
Yes, and thank you everyone for being so patient. Too.
Very welcome.
We
Thank
appreciate
you
you
for
guys.
helping our daughters be better each time. Yes.
Let's do it last chance.
Yeah, that's it.
Last chance of the year.
I'm so sorry, I'm not crying.
Can we get the parents in for this shirt?
Oh,
Everybody come in. Everybody come in. One, two, three. Oh yeah, that too.
I love you guys, and I'm gonna miss you guys a lot. I'll still see you guys after this one. You guys did so good though. I'm so proud of you guys. I I'm so excited to see you guys for next year. Oh my god. I know next year you guys are gonna be top notch. You guys are gonna move on.
Are you gonna come watch us?
Of course. Not every New Year, but of course. But yeah, I believe in you guys next year and don't quit dancing. I believe you guys have such a good passion with dance. Like I said, you guys have like such good dedication to this group. And you guys are like the best group ever. You guys are so hardworking. Like you guys want to work hard without even Abraham or I telling you guys to. Like you guys want to practice without us asking you guys to practice. But yeah, I'm so proud of you guys and I'll miss you guys so much. I'll see you guys. Love you, Chloe. Bye, Chloe. Bye, Chloe.
All to see without my eyes.